Let's see how to turn an image upside down in Microsoft Word. So first off, you want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, we already know how to insert an image. Simply go into the Insert tab and click on Pictures. Now, select where you want to insert your image from. So go ahead and insert any image of your choice. Now, from here on, whenever you click the picture, it should automatically go into the Picture Format tab. From here, to turn your image upside down, simply click on Rotate, and you'll have the option to either rotate it left or right, or to either flip it horizontally or vertically. So to turn it upside down, click on Flip Vertically, and as you can see, our image has now been turned upside down. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.